So, good afternoon to all. So, today we are going to discuss about the topic pipe materials and types of joints, which comes under the unit 3, right? So, conveyance of water. So, we are all know that the water is conveyed with the help of the pipes. So, in this hereafter, we have to set the pipe as a conduit. So, conduits is the technical name for the pipes. So let us discuss what are the various types of pipe materials and the types of joints what we are using in our water supply system. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. So these are all the types of pipe materials. One is the metallic pipes. So in these cast iron pipes, galvanized pipes, mild steel pipes and ductile steel pipes are comes under the metallic pipes. And then non-metallic pipes, which includes the reinforced concrete pipes, that is the RCC pipes, and the pre-stressed concrete pipes, and the bar wrapped steel cylinder concrete pipes, and the asbestos pipes, and finally the plastic pipes, which is PVC pipes, etc. So these are all the diagrams which clearly makes you to understand so what are all the materials we are used for making the pipes. So first one is the cast iron pipes, and another one is the galvanized iron pipes, and the ductile iron pipes. So this is the mild steel pipes, and this is the RCC pipes which we may seen in our roads, and this is the asbestos cement pipe. So this also we may notice in our roads, and this is the PVC pipes which normally we use in our residential buildings, and this is the pre-stressed concrete pipes which we might be seen in the near the lakes where the water is procured from the lake sources and it is distributed to the treatment system. And this is the polyethylene pipes and HDPE pipes and the bar wrapped pipes. Okay, right. So let us discuss one by one. So let us first see what is by cast iron pipes. So it is widely used for city water supplies, and it is sufficient for the corrosion resistance. So in this pipe it is there won't be any possibilities of corrosion. So it is available in the length of about 3.7 to 5.5 meters and the diameter of 50 to 900 mm. So what are the manufacturing methods? So these pipes are manufactured by two process. One is sand molding process and another one is the centrifugal process. So in this sand molding, it is again classified into casting into horizontal position. It is called as McVane pipes, and casting in vertical position, which is called as pit cast pipes. And for the centrifugal process, there are two types. One is sand spun pipes, which is made in sand molds, and the second thing is de-lavoured pipes, which is made in metallic molds. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of the pipes. Advantages is it is moderate cost and economical, strong and durable. Disadvantages is interior of the pipe becomes rough with age and discharge carrying capacity is reduced. So these are all the advantages and disadvantages.